Unreal. I mean, all these cars driving by, they're like, all right. I mean, okay.
This is going to be a thing right here.
I hope,
We just did a thing.
I hope we've taken jamming the tram
Yeah.
to the next
Yeah.
level.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Where's it
I
going
like
to be?
Right? Like
Some
trams.
grass on the overpass?
Yeah.
That doesn't really work, though. It doesn't roll off the tongue. You know what I mean? We're going to have to
Bro
keep working
grass on the overpass.
on it. Grass on the pass.
Past the soul grass.
All right. Coming near you, exactly. I mean, we're lucky. There's a lot of people. There's people that don't like to hang out outside. I mean, I'd say in Colorado, if you don't like to hang out outside, kiss music goodbye, because it's gonna, like we're doing a lot of things outside nowadays. River Wondergrass, that's
right.
all outside. Like good
to
stuff.
outside.
Good stuff.
All right, what do we got? Tangled.
All right, here's another song that is ours. I guess I can stop saying that because I already gave that disclaimer earlier. But this is a song called Tangled. And if you want, you can go to any streaming media platform and check out Tyree Woods, and that's my name. And you'll see that song on there, as well as some other music. So if you guys get a chance, check me out. Quick plug over. All right, let's play Tangled. Watch them ride their white horses, living high on the hill, hoping make the right choices. Hold room for you still. What it is, what it was, let it go. Just because you get so tangled up. What it is, what it was, let it go. Otherwise, you'll get so tangled up. All the risks we've been taking to stay out of the grave, the mistakes we've been making, they've already been made. What it is, what it was, let it go. Just because you get so tangled up. What it is and what it was, let it go. Otherwise, you get so tangled up. what it is, what it was. Let it go, just because you're so tangled up. What it is, what it was. Let it go, otherwise you're so tangled up. Thank you guys. That's Tangled. That's Tangled right there. Thank you guys very much. Man, we almost lost the light, huh, Goldie?
You guys are bringing the light. That's what's
Okay.
happening right now.